Another thing that somebody pointed out, I got the cam pulled out now just to see what's going on here, but they saw this heat signature on the crankshaft and they thought that that was a problem and that it got hot from a lack of oil or whatever. This is the original rod and the bearing clearance on it is perfect. Also, some of these had an insert, a bearing insert, and some of them just the aluminum rod rides right on the crankshaft, which is pretty common on a lot of small engines, lawnmower engines and whatever. And this is one of those where there is no bearing insert. The rod rides right on the crank. This discoloration, this heat signature on the crankshaft, they heat treat these. That's heat treat. That is not... And by the way, this is also a forged crank. But again, this thing has a noise when it's running. Like, you know, even this, I realize there's going to be a bearing support in this end, but this is basically what it sounds like when it's running, only in fast motion. Like something's got gear lash or end play, and it sounds bad. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds bad. The oil looked perfect. There's no metal in the oil. It wasn't shiny. Everything looked perfect, but it sounds really bad. And I'm thinking it's got to be either one of these counterweights. This is a counterweighted little deal that spins, and or it's the end play. It's the in and out of either the cam or this counter shaft. So, still trying to figure this one out.